Hello everyone. I'm gonna show you two of my students. They are living in Canada, and first of all, when I started to teach them, they were very zero level. They can't read one Arabic letter. They were suffering with reading even one Arabic letter. Like I give it, like if I'm teaching them the Aleph, I say Aleph. They say Alif. They were suffering a lot. But Alhamdulillah, after time, as I always was telling them, learning Arabic, it doesn't come from one night. It needs time and patience. Alhamdulillah, I'm gonna show you now their level. Now they can read the Holy Quran easily, mashallah. A great improvement. Listen to them, guys.
يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعى اليتيم ولا يهد على
وليكن
طعام المسكين فلولي
فويل
مسكين. Wait,
That's
said it correctly.
فويل للمصلين.
وويل للممسكين الذين هم عن صلاتهم سهون
Yeah.
الذين هم يراءون
Yeah. The last verse.
ومن
ويمنعون
ومن أعون الماعون
again ويمنعون الماعون.
ويمنعون الماعون.
Good job, Tashin. You're doing a great job. Nice. Oh,
I homework. Homework is to repeat this 2 times.
you need homework, right?